Austin is a vibrant city with a thriving cultural scene, beautiful natural landscapes, and plenty of sunshine. While the warm, sunny weather is one of the reasons many people love living here, it also brings an unavoidable challenge: UV, ultraviolet, radiation. UV rays can cause significant damage to your home's interior, including fading furniture, flooring, and artwork, as well as deteriorating materials over time. One of the most effective ways to protect your home from this damage is by replacing your windows with UV blocking options. Here's why window replacement is essential for protecting your Austin home from harmful UV rays and preserving its beauty and value. Preventing fading and discoloration of furniture and fabrics. One of the most noticeable effects of UV radiation is fading. Over time, exposure to UV rays can cause the colors in furniture, carpets, curtains, and wall art to fade. The intense Austin sun, combined with the heat, can accelerate this process, leaving your home looking worn and aged. By replacing your windows with UV protective glass, you can dramatically reduce the amount of UV radiation that enters your home. Modern windows are available with low-E coatings, which help block up to 99% of harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. This protection will keep your furniture, rugs, and drapes looking vibrant for much longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements and preserving the overall aesthetic of your home. Protecting hardwood floors and wooden furniture. In Austin's sunny climate, UV rays can also cause damage to hardwood floors and wooden furniture. The constant exposure to sunlight can lead to discoloration and drying out of wood, causing it to crack, warp, or become brittle over time. This damage can be costly to repair and may even require the replacement of flooring or furniture altogether. By installing windows with UV blocking capabilities, you can minimize this exposure and protect your valuable hardwood floors and furniture. The right windows act as a barrier between the sun's harmful rays and your home's interior, ensuring that your wooden surfaces remain protected from fading and deterioration. This simple upgrade can help preserve the quality and beauty of your wooden furniture for many years. Enhancing interior climate control. Besides UV protection, window replacement can also improve your home's overall insulation and climate control. Austin's weather can be hot, especially during the summer months, and the sun's rays can cause your indoor temperatures to rise, making your air conditioning system work harder. Old, inefficient windows allow not only UV rays but also excessive heat to enter, leading to increased energy bills and reduced indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with low-E glass, offer protection from UV rays and help regulate the indoor temperature by reducing heat transfer. This means your home stays cooler in the summer, and your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. This improves both your energy efficiency and the protection of your home's interior from UV damage. Improving energy efficiency and saving on utility bills. If your windows are old and not designed with UV protection in mind, you may be losing more than just the battle against UV damage. You might also be losing money. Windows that lack energy-efficient features can allow both UV radiation and heat to enter your home, causing your air conditioner to work overtime, particularly during Austin's scorching summers. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options that incorporate UV-blocking glass will help you regulate your home's temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In addition to blocking UV rays, these windows also minimize heat transfer, reducing the need for constant air conditioning and helping to lower your energy bills. The long-term savings can offset the cost of window replacement, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners looking to improve both comfort and energy efficiency. Preserving your home's exterior and structural integrity. UV rays can also take a toll on the exterior of your home. Prolonged exposure to the sun can cause siding, paint, and roofing materials to degrade, leading to fading, cracking, or peeling. Over time, this can cause damage to the structural integrity of your home, requiring expensive repairs or replacements. Replacing old windows with high-quality, UV protective models helps reduce the amount of harmful UV radiation that enters your home and affects its exterior. By preventing UV rays from reaching your walls, siding, and roofing materials, you can extend the lifespan of your home's exterior and preserve its curb appeal. Enhancing indoor comfort and health. UV radiation isn't just harmful to your home's interior, it can also have adverse effects on your health. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can lead to skin damage, including sunburns and an increased risk of skin cancer. With proper window replacement, you can reduce your exposure to UV rays while still allowing natural light into your home, creating a safer and more comfortable living environment. Windows with UV blocking coatings provide a healthier environment for you and your family, helping to prevent long-term exposure to harmful radiation. By filtering out UV rays, these windows create a safer space where you can enjoy the sun's light without worrying about the harmful effects on your skin or health. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Austin is a crucial investment for homeowners looking to protect their homes and loved ones from the damaging effects of UV rays. With the right UV protective windows, you can prevent fading and discoloration of furniture, preserve the integrity of hardwood floors and wooden furniture, and enhance the energy efficiency of your home. By blocking harmful UV rays, you also protect your health, reduce energy bills, and preserve your home's exterior. If you want to safeguard your home and create a more comfortable living environment, window replacement with UV blocking windows is a smart and valuable decision for long-term protection.